Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving it, but we're not going to talk about any food. I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for who support me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all over the whole place. It's just amazing. But I want to take the time out to do this video to say thank you so much, guys. It is brilliant. My birthday, honestly, my birthday was a blessing, and you know what I mean, it was just really lovely and nice. I do enjoy myself, you know what I mean, especially my fans who telling me happy birthday and all of these things, you know what I mean. I just put everything together and I say, you know what I mean, I have to say thank my fans them and my friends them who support me. I want to say, most of my friends were saying, Chef Ricardo, enjoy your birthday, but I want to say my birthday was an amazing birthday. Honestly, it's the food, the drink, everything was just fantastic. It was nice, and I say, you know what, I do enjoy myself, you know what I mean, and I want to say it was brilliant. Honestly, it was brilliant. I want to big up some of my fans them, won't call it a name, but you know what I mean, big up my fans them and big up my friends them and big up who supporting Chef Ricardo right straight through the ear. And you know what I mean, you know, so it's just more blessing and prosperity to see another year again. It's just love. I love you all, guys, and I want to take the time out to say yes, my birthday was a blessing and it was lovely, it was nice, and I'm just giving God thanks for seeing another year again. So it was great, and I want to say follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and also we got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming out for you. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. I want to say thank you so much one more time again. Blessing, love, and prosperity. And all in Jamaica, it is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers in Jamaica. Love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere.